Okay, sorry guys. Sometimes I have to find the words. Today is really special for me because I want to do a special video for my daughter, and I hope you get inspired too, because she's doing also mosaic and she's doing so much work you can't imagine. She's helping me also. So she started to do mosaic in her apartment. Now I show you just a little short. She has a YouTube channel, but she don't have so much time to understand how it works. So I decided to do a little video for her, put it in my channel. And I want to do I want to do a remix, but it doesn't work anymore. That's a pity, really. I don't know why YouTube did that. I can do only clips and promote it in social media. I will do that too. But right now I show you just what she done last year in her balcony, and then we will go in her apartment, but she don't know that. So we will go afterwards in her apartment so I can show you the end result, and I want to see what she's doing there. Okay, what my girl is doing is incredible. You see here the wall, and inside, okay, inside we can see her. We can see this one. here, the inside wall. This is so beautiful. Okay, a little net. So this table, I did this table. Yes, she will be worse than me, yeah. So she wants to do many vases. Anyway, let's go over here. Okay, here she did some. Oh, they're so pretty. I think she wants to do here an experiment. I don't know. And we go over here. Oh, look, she's doing another one, another one with my pieces of ceramic. Okay, let's go inside. Told you she will do many vases. And some drawing, some ideas. My boyfriend is here, so I have to be a bit quiet. He's working. Now I'll show you the wall from here. No, don't worry. And the famous table over there. What's that face? I love the colors. And I'm shaking. Look.
Why are you shaking? Is that from working or?
Yeah, it's